I usually wake up at 5:30 a.m. I wake up at 8 a.m. on weekends. Then, I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I go out to play badminton. I come back after an hour, I take a shower. I take a bath. After taking bath, I pray. After doing my morning duties, I get dressed and comb my hair. Then I have my breakfast at around 8 o'clock. I leave home at 8:30 a.m. I go to work by bus. Once I reach office by 10 a.m., I start noting the tasks for the day, and then prioritizing them. Office hours are mostly spent sitting in front of the computer. At around 1 p.m. I have lunch. At 4 p.m. I go to cafeteria to have tea or coffee and eat some snacks. I wrap up my work by 6 p.m. and leave by 6:10 p.m. Once home by 6:40 p.m., I freshen up to spend time with my family. I have evening tea with my family at around 7 p.m. After having tea, I usually make some phone calls and check my messages and emails, then I feed my dog. After 9 p.m., I usually relax on my couch and watch television. I have dinner by 9:30 p.m. After dinner, I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. Then I read book or novel for about 30 minutes and finally, around 10:30 p.m., I turn off the lights and sleep by 11 p.m.